Hello friends from the West Vancouver School District. We had the first of our online sessions last week and it was so wonderful working with this season's batch of students. This year we have a record number of 153 students. Thank you so much for your support in getting the word out. From West Vancouver, we have 19 students as shown here broken down by school. This season, 37% of our West Vancouver students are female. This is a little higher than the average of 34% the past several years. Some of you might know that we acquired 18 iPads from the Richmond School District's pool of end-of-lease devices. I'm happy to say that all 18 have been loaned out free of charge to students who do not have access to iPads. We are really excited about this loaner program because not only are we able to get these devices into the hands of the students to work on the Game of Apps activities, but they and their family will also have the ability to use the iPad for other daily activities. This will result in an increase in their general technology and digital proficiency. At the end of the program, we will offer these families the option of buying out the devices for a small token fee. For me personally, it was wonderful meeting the students and seeing their eagerness and energetic attitudes. Our mentors are also excited to be able to work closely with the students. This year is off to a great start, and we are looking forward to helping the students understand and experience how to build technology products. We will continue to provide you with updates throughout the school year. Thank you again for your support, and talk to you soon.